Okay, this is just a brief explanation of how the test is going to work. So if you scroll down in this list, you will see practice quiz for test 1. It is due Sunday the 20th. It does not count as part of your grade, but you must do it or you will not be able to take the test. So you take the quiz. It's set up a little bit differently than the homeworks. You have to fill in every question and it won't tell you if your answers are correct until you hit submit quiz. Once you do that, you can go back through and review it by going to your grade book over here on the left. And you should see practice quiz for test 1. Mine's down here. And if you click review, you can see everything you missed. Now, you should try to do this without looking at your notes or any other material because it will tell you what you need to practice on. Once you have completed the practice quiz back in your assignment list, the next thing you see will be the mastery review for test 1. That assignment takes everything you did on the practice quiz, and if you got a problem 100% correct, it marks it as correct in the mastery review. For the ones that you missed, it will give you another problem of a similar type, and you need to work on those. Once you have achieved at least an 80% on the mastery review, then the test will unlock. You have 2 chances to take the test. For both of them, if you're happy with your first grade, you don't have to take it a second time. If you're unhappy with your score the first time, I suggest you go back and practice some more. Contact me if you have questions or a tutor. So you know all your options there, I hope, for getting help. And then you can take it a second time. Both times you need to submit any work that you've done clearly labeled with like which problem number it is in the test to the Momentum Dropbox, which I will have set up. And I will link that for you in the news feed. That doesn't matter so much on the conceptual problems. Obviously, you don't really need to write anything down if it asks you about, what type of experiment is this? Is it discrete or continuous variable? The showing the work, though, is important on those probability problems because I want to see if you set it up correctly and maybe just made an arithmetic or a rounding error, because then I can give you partial credit. So please submit your work for the tests to that Dropbox. That's it. Good luck on the test, everyone. And next week, we'll start talking about Chapter 2, which is graphs and tables. And remember, always please contact me if you need any help with anything.